Hi friends, this video shows how to fix this issue. Could not connect to Wi-Fi network. Try again. So let me go to home screen. Then go to settings. Select settings icon from top right corner. Go to network and internet. Select it. And here you can see list of available networks. From this list, select the Wi-Fi network where you seen the error message. Select it, then select forget network. Done. Then again select the same Wi-Fi network, mobile Wi-Fi. See, now it's asking for the password. Here we need to enter the correct password of the Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. Okay, I have entered correct Wi-Fi password. Let me connect. See, now it's connecting to mobile Wi-Fi. That is the name of the Wi-Fi network. See, connected successfully. So this way we can fix that issue. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.